Now, problem 11. Count the perfect squares less than 400 that are divisible by both 9 and 4. Divisible by 9 and 4 means divisible by the LCM, or least common multiple, which in this case is 9 and 4, and that equals 36. So we want perfect squares that are multiples of 36. If a perfect square is a multiple of 36, write it as 36 times k squared equals 6k squared. So we're looking at squares of multiples of 6. So we're going to list those squares under 400 here. 6 times 1 squared equals 36. 6 times 2 squared equals 144. 6 times 3 squared equals 324. 6 times 4 squared equals 576. Notice we can stop right here because 576 is too big. It's more than 400. We'll go ahead and cross that out. As you can see, we have 36, 144, and 324. That's 3 squares. So there are 3 such perfect squares that are less than 400 that are divisible by both 9 and 4. So you can see that we've just answered that right here. Perfect squares less than 400 that are divisible by both 9 and 4. So nice work here. On to problem 12, a units digit pattern problem.